Hey guys, so there's actually something wrong with my TV, and I don't know why it does this, but it's got a problem with the sound. Let me show you. So right now it's at 19 volume, and if I press this,
accessibility shortcuts 40 close button.
It's just really muffled for some reason, and I don't know why. So I'm gonna do a sound test, and I'll get back when I've stopped. Alright guys, so I'm at the sound test menu, so we're just gonna click that. Jesus Christ, man, what the hell? Jesus Christ, that is loud. No. Please contact the Samsung call center. Pre-ready to provide the... Okay, so this is very serious because it was working before, and I do not know why this has happened. If anyone knows how to repair this, please can you tell me in the comments. Bye. Yeah, I haven't stopped recording this because I wanted to say, Samsung, your TVs suck. Get better TVs.